Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix a black or blank screen in Adobe Acrobat. So if Adobe Acrobat displays a black, blank or white screen instead of your PDF, so the problem is often related to graphics rendering, corrupted preferences, outdated software, or display driver issues. So actually guys, first you will need to restart the Adobe Acrobat. So just close the Acrobat completely and reopen it. If the issue persists, then restart your computer to clear temporary system or graphics problem. So actually guys, you may ask, how can I restart Acrobat? So all you need to do is to go and right click on your task manager, go here, and then go with the right click on Adobe Acrobat and go with end task, right? And then guys, you will need to go here to the Windows, go here to the power off button, and then go with restart. All right, so then just reopen it and check if the PDF is still like black or blank. All right, also guys, you will need to update the Adobe Acrobat, so using the latest version can resolve the non-display bugs. So just open Acrobat right here, go to the question mark that's located at the top right at the top bar, and then go with Acrobat help. So just click that option and wait a few seconds, then you will get forwarded into their official website. So this one, now just go with get started and then go with download Acrobat Reader, right? So, or you can just install any available updates, then restart Acrobat again and check. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching, and goodbye.